Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add website to Android home screen. So if at the end of this you found this up informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add website to Android home screen, all you need to do is go ahead and visit the website you want to add to your Android home screen. So in this case, let's say you want to add the Samsung website to our Android home screen. On the website, click on the three dots at top right. Now, scroll through the site and click on Add to Home Screen. Then scroll that says Create Shortcut. Go ahead and delete whatever you have here and give the shortcut a name so that you can easily identify it on your device. Now, click on Add to Home Screen. Then scroll that says Add to Home Screen. Click on Add from the top and then it should say Website added to your home screen. If you come to your home screen, just click on the website you added, then you'll be able to access the website straight away. And that's it. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.